I'm Cheryl. Cheryl.
Cheryl.
Yeah.
Oh, like Cheryl and Pobl y Gwm.
I don't know, what's she like?
Well, not so pretty as you.
Oh, bless you.
No, she's an astro.
I do wish I could
I'm
speak
not glad,
Welsh.
that's not idle flattery now.
Oh.
Yes, I'd teach you in no time if you were here. Yn bach bob dydd,
What does that mean?
little bit every day.
Oh, so that's the best way to learn.
Tamed bach, little bit, bob dydd, every day.
Well, that would be amazing.
Yes.
So how do I say, hello, my name's Cheryl.
Hello, Cheryl yw'n enw I.
Cheryl Wenwy.
Cheryl yw'n enw I. You speak backwards in Welsh.
How are you saying that last bit?
Pan
Wenwy. Wenwy?
yw'n enw I.
Wenwy.
Cheryl yw'n enw I.
Cheryl
Yw'n enw I is my name.
Is my name.
Yes, it's backwards, you see.
And I live near Carmarthen. How would I say
Rwy'n
that?
byw yn ymyl Caerfyrddin.
Oh
Rwy'n
gosh.
byw yn agos i Gaerfyrddin, ie.
In Bew.
Rwy'n byw, rwy'n byw, ond rwy'n for short.
Yeah.
Rwy'n byw yn agos i Gaerfyrddin. Near to Carmarthen.
Orin Brew.
Rwy'n byw, yes, come on, you're all right.
What's the next bit?
Rwy'n byw yn agos
Anagos.
i Gaerfyrddin.
I Garfadden.
Na chi, Gaerfyrddin.
And where do you live? Where
Rwy'n byw yma
Bodyport.
yn yr ystafell, yn yr adeilad yma, in this building. A dwi wedi symud i fewn, mae gen i fflat yn fama. All right?
And how long have you been here?
Dwi fod yma ers 2 flynedd. 2 flynedd i Tachwedd diwetha. Tachwedd oedd last November.
And do you like it?
Ydw, mae cwmni yn bwysig. Oedd y mab yn teimlo bod fi'n unig y ben fy hun. My son felt how lonely on my own, especially in winter. So he arranged for me to come here.
It'll be lovely here in the summer.
It is nice here now, yes, it should be.
With the sea
To
just
sit
there.
outside and see.
And the sea is only there. The
Yeah,
harbour is only there.
I know, I can walk down there. Oh, well, there we are. At the
So we were
temple.
saying this was made by Rachel's
I
mother
know,
when her first baby was
I know.
born.
Look at the cross you work and that. My mother was the same. They didn't knit in those days, you see, they crocheted. Oh, my mother did the finest crochet, yards of it. And she tried to teach me, and she gave me a fine crochet pin, and said, give me wool and something. So she gave me up.
She gave up on you, did she?
Gave up on me, yes, so I never crocheted. But I did everything, you know, I did the suits for myself.
Have you?
Yes, I have in my time. I did 3 suits, yes. Na fe, I can't do a damn thing now. There's always a reason, isn't there?
Yes.
Wastad reswm.
Yes.
Wastad reswm.
Western Rustum.
Wastad reswm. Wastad is
Reswm.
always,
Yeah.
reswm reason.
Resum.
Na wastad reswm.
I would love you to teach me
Yes,
Welsh,
well, it
Elwyn.
wouldn't be long learning if I saw you every day.
It's getting over here though, isn't it? Because I'm 10 miles north of Carmarthen.
Beth?
Pencadr.
O, look, yeah.
That's where
Fi'n
I live
cofio, o'n i'n gweithio chi bod i Pencadr, oedd y tren yn mynd mor slow, o'n i'n gallu mynd mas, oedd y stop o'n Pencadr i bigo blodau. A dyn ôl i'r tren.
No train there now.
Na, cofio bod mae'n i student yn Aber, North Mail. O'n i cychwyn o Lanelli, leaving Lanelli at 9:30, and arriving in Aber 1 o'clock. It's not a long journey, is it?
No, not really.
Well, look at the time it took.
And how long? And what were you doing in Aber?
Student, studying biology.
Wow.
I did taught A levels in 2 subjects for many years. Look at me now.
So when you did biology, Elwyn, at Aberystwyth, were you doing a degree in biology? then?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, I did a degree in botany and zoology in my day. They don't do it now. They just do biology. I did honours. I did what you call a past degree in botany and zoology, and then an honours degree in zoology.
Wow.
Yeah, no, I enjoyed it.
And what did you do with that then?
Teach.
Yes.
I started off in Aberdare. Oh, it's a lovely school for you.
Right then, ladies. Shakespeare said Romeo and Juliet.
360 girls. Oh, lovely. Teaching was a joy, you know. I did it for 5.5. It was a big mistake, really. But the trouble was, you see,
What are the
got my name again now. Cheryl. I should remember that. Cheryl, I was travelling home weekends. I was in one place or the other. So I did it for 5.5 years. My parents expected me home, you see, because I could come home. And then I came back to Llanelli. Big mistake. Living with my mother. Treated like a 12-year-old. Where you going? Le chi mynd, a pryd chi dod nôl.
right? That's good, guys.
Straich chi fy mas heno? You'd have to go out tonight. Well, I've had enough of this. Well, I won't tell you the whole lot. So I met 2 blokes, a friend and I, and we'd been to the cinema. Vince, it was called in those days. Do you remember Vince? Parla Snow, you're too young. Well, anyway, and I was coming home now, and I was in the sitting. She went with one, Cliff, she married him actually. I don't know, just a die he was, nice boy. I couldn't now go interested in him like that, so just sitting there chatting in the car. I was getting on for 10 o'clock now. On the window of the car, my mother. Now, come on i'r tŷ. Now come on to the house, as I was a child.
You know what?
Oh, do you know, Cheryl, I really had enough by now.
Mel Gibson played the Scottish.
I went to the library the following Monday, it was Saturday, see, I couldn't go on Sunday. And I found a job advertising Nottingham High School, so I didn't tell her a thing. I wrote a letter, a written application, and they called me up for interview. My father brought the telegram to school. My mother tried to stop him, but no, he said, not fair. So I went up. One of my brothers happened to be home, so he took me to the train, and I arrived at 1 o'clock in the morning, and I was as timid as a mouse. But you know, Cheryl, if you're determined, you'll do anything, however timid you are. I was determined. I had to get out of her clutches. And I got offered the job on the spot. Wow. She was dumb, gobsmacked, wasn't she?
Proud though.
And I was very, very happy there. And they married up there.
But she was proud of you though.
Maybe, yes, she was in a way. But you see, Cheryl, you don't possess your children, you don't own them. John, now my son, only one I've got. And he asked me a year after doing medicine. It's a long old course. Oh, Mum, he said, I've been in books since I was 16. I'm fed up. I'd like a break. I'd like to take a gap here. He'd done his second MB, so that was the time to do it. Take it, I said. I'll always come back to you, he said. And he has, you see. And he went all over the world that year, you see. And he grew up, as he said. Well, you do, don't you, when you meet people? When you stick in your books, you don't give. And he's been a wonderful son to me. He's always come back. He's coming tomorrow now. And he's got 2 children.